In today's video, we will be talking about how to create an FAQ page in Shopify. Now, what you're going to do to be able to do this is you're going to create a page on your Shopify, of course. We're going to click on Online Store over here on the left side, and you're going to see this page option over here. So simply click on Pages, and you're going to create your FAQ in this part. So simply click on Add Page over here on the top right. Then over here, you're going to put in your details. So let's name it FAQ. There we go. And then you're simply going to put in your content over here. So let's generate our text over here. Create an FAQ page with 5 questions. Then simply generate text. If you have your own FAQ content, of course, you could use that and put it on this page as well. This is just for us to save time, and because I don't have an FAQ, actually, I'm just going to put it over here. There we go. We have this. Let's say this is properly generated and it has a good placement, but right now it's very bad. But anyway, let's skip this for now. Let's have this as the FAQ page for us. Then you're simply going to click on Save, and you're not done yet. After that, you're going to click on Navigation. Under Navigation, this is where you will be able to find your menus. So you're going to click on Main Menu, and then you're going to add a menu item. Click on Name, simply put in FAQ. Click on this Search or Paste a Link. Click on the Pages, and then you will be able to see your FAQ page that you have just created earlier on. Click on Add, and after that, that should be successful. Click on your online store. Let's actually save it. Click on Online Store again, under Themes. Click on Preview. Let's preview our store. And let's see if we will be able to find our FAQ page. So there we go. As you can see here on the top, you have your main menu, you have your home, catalog, contact, and now you have the FAQ that we have just created earlier. So simply select that, and then you will be able to see your FAQ page over here. This is where your FAQ content will be located. So create a proper content, of course, put a proper spacing and separate the different questions, of course, and you will be able to do or set up your FAQ page through the process or through the method that we have just done for your Shopify store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos about Shopify, and that is basically the process of what you need to do to be able to set up an FAQ page. If you feel like there's a proper or better way, feel free to comment it down below. But that's it for guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.